Nice toasty croissant. How to toast and warm up a croissant in the Cuisinart air fryer, toaster, oven, and grill. Pretty simple process. We want to go ahead and open the door. We're going to put the toasting tray on the upper level. Always for toasting, it's on the upper level. One croissant, we place it here. If it was two, we'd have one here and one here. And you always keep everything centered. Close the door. Set the function dial to toast. Here's the function dial. It's set on toast. Temperature dial to toast broil. Temperature dial pointing to toast broil. And then last but not least, turn the on toast timer. The on toast timer. We're going to set it to light. It should be good enough. It's just to warm it up. Make it a little crispy on the outside. Nice warm on the inside. If you want to, if it's toasted, you're experimenting with the time and stuff like that, and you want to turn it off, just turn the dial to off. It'll turn off the oven. You can find the link to this product in the description. There you have it. The timer's gone off. We open it up. Remember, everything inside the oven is going to be hot. So I'm just going to scoop it off like this. There you have it. A nice toasty croissant. Mmm. Delicious.